Are you B.Tech or graduate fresher, looking for jobs in IT/MNC? Join Siliconuniv Innovative IT Training and Placement Company. Special 45 days industrial training and placement program in networking. And get placed with MNC like Wipro, HCL, IBM. Placed 400 plus freshers in MNC in desktop and networking domain, experienced trainers, 100% job guarantee. Our mission to provide job in MNC. More than 1 lakh jobs in desktop and networking by 2021. Get trained and placed within 45 days in MNC like Wipro, HCL, others. Roles in networking: Technical Support Specialist, IT Support Administrator, Desktop Support Engineer, Windows System Engineer, Network Administrator, Linux System Administrator, Unix Administrator. Siliconuniv, connecting talent to opportunity. Contact us at